Treasure for Misty, Misty here, and today we're back with some more surprise squishies. To get started today, I've got this little yellow mochi and it looks like a chick. It's very jello-y, just like the little mochis always are. It's got a cute little face with a yellow beak, very stretchy. Or her. Is it a him or a her? Let me know what you think. This is another mochi. We've got two mochis in a row. And this one is a little blue hedgehog. I see we're unveiling more green mystery creatures. Smells nice, super soft. And it's kind of like some others that I've been seeing that are this ombre green fading into tan. This is a unicorn cat, I believe, judging by the ears, the little nose, and the horn on top. Very soft. Ta-da! How cute would that be, just hanging from your phone? Next up, we have another mochi that's in that same frosty blue color as the hedgehog. It's very fun. It looks like a little starfish. Las estrellas. I remember that from Dora. Embarrassingly enough, that's the only reason I remember that word. Ooh, he stretches far. Oh, look at that stretch on that guy. This one looks like it's gonna be interesting. We've got another little brown bear. Let's take it out and look at it. So very soft, very smelly good. I do have a slight concern, and that is for the position of his limbs. It looks like this leg is crossed very harshly over this one. And I'm not sure what's happening with his arms. They almost just look like little nubs. Put a little keychain lanyard on this guy. There we go. This is something the likes of which I don't believe I have seen. So I believe this is meant to be some kind of puppy and a loaf because it looks like bread on top. I'm not sure what this little brown spot is. It almost looks like it might be a hat. But it is hard to tell. Now this is super soft and it's really thick, and you should know by now I really like the thicker, softer, kind of more supple plush squishies. And look at that. It's just got a kind of a peanut-shaped face and long floppy ears. It almost looks like it's supposed to be a stuffed puppy. If you look at, there's little teeny divots there. They're almost imperceptible. But there's little divots around that almost look like stitching. Let's do them all and see. That was pretty close, actually. It's almost a tie, really. It's kind of hard to see which one's coming up slower. I'm not sure which one's slower rising. Let me know what you think in the comments. Don't forget, if you are a patron on Patreon, you get one item from one of my videos each month. Check it out at patreon.com/treasure for Misty. Until next time.